Hey guys, how you doing? I hope you are doing well. This is Epson Workforce WF2960DWF. This printer is multifunctional printer. It's multitask, 4-in-1 in the sense you can copy, scan, print and fax with this printer. Use your mobile phone to scan the QR code, or you continue without the app. Okay, so basically if you go to your mobile device, then you go to the QR code. So select QR code, you scan the QR code. This is the QR code, and you pick it up. Once you scan the QR code, you pick it up and ask you to open up the link. You open up the link, it will take you to this app. This is Epson Smart Panel. Okay, the app name is called Epson Smart Panel. You get it from Google Play Store, but I already have this app on my phone. Okay, so you cannot also select continue without the app. Then it take you for you to select your country. The next thing you need to do is you need to put the time. You can also select off for it if you don't want the time to show. Okay, then you select the date. If you select on for the time, then you select the date format. So you put the date, then select OK. Then it asks you there. Once you put the date and time, it will ask you to put the time format. You can put 12 hours or 24 hours. Okay, then you select OK. Now it's processing. Now, the next is initialization setup. Install the ink cartridges for setup that came with the printer. So what we want to do now is to install the ink. Okay, so this is the ink cartridges that came with this printer. To do that, you just need to open up the printer, and the ink holder is here waiting for you. Okay, so what we need to do now is to put the ink. So this ink is black. Okay, pull off the air vent. Now you keep an eye, a label on top of it with the BK. Okay, you go in for black, push it down. Then the next is cyan. Pull off the air vent, then go in for cyan. Okay, the next is magenta. Just pull off this air vent. If you don't pull it off, then this will not print. Okay, the last but not the least is cyan. Pull it off, then go in. Okay, and once you've done that, the next thing to do, you need to select installed. Okay, and the ink will move away from here and go to the corner. Now the next is initialization. Please wait. This will take about 5 minutes. Here we go. Initialization complete. Okay, move on to print quality adjustment. So this is exactly how to install, load or install the ink cartridges. Okay, check out my next video how to adjust the quality adjustment. Thank you.